Hi, I'm Alex Shuker, CTO at DrayTek UK and Ireland, and today I've got one of our Vigor 2765 AC products. I'd like to take a look at what's in the box and show you the contents. The 2765 is from our small office, home office range of firewalls. It's a DSL product, so it's really good for super fast broadband, up to 80 megabits per second on ADSL or VDSL. So we take a look at the front panel, just take off this protective film, need this for ventilation for the cooling. So we look at the LEDs, we've got the power and DSL LED there to show if you've got sync on DSL, and then we've got wireless and for LAN ports and a USB indicator. So if we take a look at the back, we can see all the interfaces. So we've got the DSL here, so that's connecting to the ADSL or VDSL connection, and then we've got the 4 LAN ports, and LAN port 4 can also be used as a WAN interface. So if you've got a fiber connection that's giving Ethernet presentation, you can change this P4 to be a WAN connection, and that can give you up to 950 megabits per second. So that's really good for ultra fast fiber. And we've got a USB port as well here that can be used to a USB dongle for a mobile broadband, or alternatively for a USB printer or USB for monitor or USB storage. Then we've got an on-off button here for the wireless, and then factory reset button, and we've got the 2 aerials, which I'll take a look at in a second, and we got on-off and a power socket. So let's take a look at what's in the box. Here's the power supply. So this is a UK plug. It's 12 volts, 2 amps. It's got a nice length of cable there for connecting up. And let's take a look at the rest of the box. So we have the aerials. So these just simply screw on. You can rotate them into any orientation you want. And then we've got the DSL cable. So this is for connecting to the ADSL or VDSL connection, and then we have a RJ45 cable for connecting to your PC, a post-it note, good for taking some notes while you're doing an installation, and we have the wall mount brackets. So there's some screws here that you can use for mounting on a wall. You put the screws into the keyhole here, just hook it over, and it can be installed in any orientation. So you can have it on its side, or you can have it vertically so the cables come down below. So that's really good for wall mounting it. So that's everything that's in the box. Hope you've enjoyed finding out the contents, and thank you very much for watching.